Good morning, students. Today, let us talk about output devices. Output devices are used to display the data that we print into computer and the results we get after processing. The first most common output device is monitor. It looks like a television. The output that we get on the monitor is called what? Soft copy. There are two types of monitors. First is CRT and second is LCD. Nowadays LED also available in market. Both CRT and LCD produce sharp images, but LCD consumes less electricity, thinner and lighter than CRT monitor, and CRT consumes more electricity but less expensive than LCD monitor, and same as LED. Let's talk about speaker. It is the output device which used to listen to music, sound effects from computer. It may be built into the system and connected with the cables with CPU. Let's move to the third part of output device, printer. It's very important part of computer system. It prints the output on the paper. The printed copy is called hard copy. The most commonly used printers are dot matrix, inkjet and laser printer. Let's talk about the first dot matrix printer. Dot matrix works like a typewriter and creates expression by striking on the paper. It's very noisy, least expensive. Nowadays we are not using dot matrix. We are not using it. Second is inkjet printer. It sprays droplets of ink on the paper from text and graphic. It's ideal for business and for personal documents. It can print in black as well as produce a colored input. Both black and white and colored you will get high quality prints when we use special paper. Third is laser printer. It uses laser beam and dry ink to print, mostly using in publishing house. Very fast and give high quality output. It works like a photocopier and nowadays we are using it at home as well. Central processing unit. In our body, brain has very important role to play. The activities we perform are the results of a signal which we receive from our brain. Likewise, CPU is the brain of computer where it processes and store the information, perform calculations and send the results to the output device. It performs all the jobs which we want to do it. It is also known as system unit. Let's see the three main parts of computer CPU. First is input, then memory unit, goes to control, then ALU and then output. Memory unit stores the information temporarily permanent according to our need. ALU performs arithmetic logical calculations and operation like plus, minus, division, multiplication equals to. CU controls like a traffic policeman and manage all the operations of the computer. So all these three are the units of CPU. Let's do a quick recap. A computer is an electronic device which accepts data instructions given by the user and give desired output. The physical part of computer which can be touched and seen are called hardware. But the software is a set of instructions that enables hardware to work in a desired manner. Devices through which we enter data and instructions are input devices, and devices that displays the input and result after processing are called output devices. A CPU has main three parts. First is memory unit MU, arithmetic and logical unit ALU, control unit CU. Thank you. Students, before concluding this chapter, parts of computer, I want to share some important information about monitor. We have already learnt about types of monitor. Book says that there are two types of monitor, CRT and LCD. But nowadays LED also available in market. CRT, cathode ray tube. It's a monitor which is big in size, very less in expense. It's very cheap, but it consumes more electricity. Then thereafter we have got LCD monitors. These are liquid crystal display monitor. These monitors give or produce sharp images, lighter, thinner, and consumes less electricity. But nowadays, LED monitors are available in the market, which are quite thinner than the LCD ones, very lighter, give sharp image, and consumes very less electricity. So I want to share this information with you. You should aware about all these three types of monitors: CRT, cathode ray tube, LCD, liquid crystal display, LED, light emitting diode. Thank you. Stay safe. Bye bye.